Welcome back to my channel, your go-to source for all things related to entrepreneurship. Today we have an exciting topic that's been gaining a lot of attention: selling dietary supplements on Amazon. If you ever wondered how to tap into this booming $30 billion dietary supplement market, then you are in the right place. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable insights like this. So in this video, we'll be discussing the comprehensive guide to successfully selling dietary supplements on Amazon. And we have got a fantastic partner on board, TheStashow method. They've got the expertise you need to make a mark in the competitive market. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand the fundamentals. First, we need to understand what dietary supplements are. According to Amazon, they define them as products that contains vitamins, minerals, herbs, amino acids, and more. They come in various forms and offer a wide array of health benefits. Now, here's the essential part. To sell dietary supplements on Amazon, you need to meet specific criteria. You'll need a professional seller account, a certificate of analysis from an accelerated lab, compliance with current good manufacturing practices, proper nutritional labeling, and of course, compliance with all federal, state, and local laws and Amazon policies. Now you're feeling overwhelmed, right? So don't worry at all. That's where the TheStashow method comes in. They'll guide you through the entire process. They'll be helping you how to launch your product successfully and how to dropship these supplements, how to choose your brand, and they'll also assist you with product development, sourcing, and when it comes to branding and marketing, you have a second link in the description so that you can get how to market your product. You'll come to know how to market your product, and other part like selecting your formula, your brand name, designing of your logo, everything TheStashow method would be taking care, ensuring that your journey in the dietary supplements market is both compliant and profitable. Before we wrap this up, so I request you to please visit the article once again from the first link in the description and go across with complete details so that you would be coming to know each and every information about how to start your supplement business and how to make use of Amazon to sell your supplements. Okay, so I request you to please visit the first link in the description and also watch a presentation once you click on create my brand button over there. Okay, you can see, right? So once you click on this, you would be redirected to a presentation. Please watch that presentation so that you would be very clear before you start. So alright guys, there you have it, our comprehensive guide to selling dietary supplements on Amazon. It's a booming market with immense potential, but it comes with its own set of rules and challenges. However, with the right guidance from the TheStashow method, it's a journey that can lead to success. Remember to visit TheStashow.com for more information and support as you embark on your journey to create a supplement brand. The link is in the description down below. And that's a wrap for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends or with your fellow entrepreneurs. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights. And we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy selling.